In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a free Forex lot size calculator on TradingView, perfect for those who want to manage their trading risk effectively. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, knowing how to calculate lot sizes is crucial to maintaining your trading strategy's integrity. So let's get started and take a deep dive into this process to ensure you fully understand each step. First things first, head over to TradingView, a widely used charting platform that offers powerful tools for traders. To start using their free lot size calculator, you'll need to set up a paper trading account if you haven't already. This allows you to practice trading without the risk of real money, giving you the freedom to experiment and learn. Once you've got your paper trading account set up, we're ready to dive in. Begin by navigating to the chart you want to analyze. For this demonstration, let's assume you're working with the MNQ2 demo asset chart. You'll be using the long or short position tool from the menu to place a visual box on your chart representing your intended trade. Once your position tool is in place, right-click on the box. This opens up several options for you to explore. What you're looking for here is the Create New Order button. When you select Create New Order, a window pops up. This is where you'll input your trading parameters. Start by entering your desired stop-loss price. This is the price level at which your trade will automatically close if the market moves against you. After determining your stop-loss price, you'll need to specify your risk percentage. For instance, if you wish to risk 1% of your account balance on the trade, enter that number here. With those details in place, it's time to calculate the lot size. Thanks to this calculator, it will automatically compute the number of units you should trade to stay within your risk parameters. You'll see this number of units indicated in the calculator. To convert these units into standard lots, simply divide by 100,000, as each standard lot comprises 100,000 units. This crucial insight keeps your risk management strategy sharp and your trades aligned with your plans. Now, if you navigate to the trading panel, you can click on Paper Trading and create a new account. Remember to input your account balance, currency, and leverage to match your real account settings. This parity ensures that your practice sessions closely mirror your live trading scenarios, offering a realistic testing environment. Once you're comfortable with that setup, return to analyzing your chart. Identify your trade by marking entry and stop-loss levels clearly, leveraging the long or short position tools as visual aids. This practice helps you to visualize your strategy and better plan your trades in advance. And there you have it. Using TradingView's built-in tools to determine your Forex lot size for free is straightforward and effective. Keep these steps in mind every time you venture into the vibrant world of Forex trading, and you'll be well prepared to manage your risks appropriately. Happy trading!